Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is about this drugstore curly hair routine. So if you guys want to see how I got these results, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. So I had to, before we get into the video, I really want to thank you guys for all the support I got on my last video. I'm in better spirits. I've been in better spirits. I've just been sticking to my self-care routine, and I hope that you guys are too. The gist of that video is just to help myself and hopefully have helped you guys to keep pushing through, because sometimes life gets hard and we just gotta keep pushing through. So I hope you guys got something from that video, and I really wanted to thank you guys for all the support and all the kind words that you guys left under the video and messaging me and all of that. I really appreciate it. As promised, here's more videos, here's more content. Didn't want to put on a full face today because I was just not in that mood, but hey, I'm here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys again so much. Okay, you guys, so I just got out the shower and I've been wet plopping, if I'm even doing it right, because I feel like I dried my hair a little bit before I put it in the shower cap. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you what I washed and conditioned with. So I washed my hair with the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, and it's the sulfate-free cleansing cream shampoo, and it has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. And it is this one right here. Because it says cream shampoo, I was actually a little concerned that it wouldn't leave that clean feeling like on my scalp. But this one actually did wonders for me, and it really cleaned. Usually I would have to I actually shampoo twice because I really try to get in there. But with this one, I didn't have to do that, and it is super creamy and hydrating. So I definitely recommend this one. Actually, all the products that I'm talking about, I recommend, because I did try this routine before and it was freaking bomb.com. So definitely recommend this one. The next thing I did was a hair mask, and it is the Garnier Smoothing Treat, and it is the 1-minute hair mask with avocado extract. This is so bomb. I've used this plenty of times before. I've also used the apricot one, but I honestly love this one better for whatever reason. They both kind of do the same thing, but I prefer this one. It also smells absolutely delicious, and it gives me the most slip. It makes my hair feel nice and juicy, and a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. So instead of using regular conditioner or anything, I use this 1-minute hair mask, and I left it in for a lot more than 1 minute, but get on this. Seriously, get on this. So for styling today, I'm gonna use a leave-in conditioner and a gel, as I typically do. I typically do a leave-in conditioner or some sort of cream and then a gel. And I really was impressed because I finally found a drugstore gel that I love. Not Your Mother's Way to Grow leave-in conditioner. This is my leave-in conditioner. I love that it's actually a spray bottle. It's so much easier to use a spray leave-in conditioner than using the actual cream ones. So I really love this stuff, and it's super hydrating, and I can't say enough of this. I've used Not Your Mother's, I think it was the green apple shampoo and conditioner before, and I really enjoyed it, but I just wanted to try different shampoos and stuff, so that's why I went with that, even though my Garnier one is not new, but it's new to you guys. It's new to you guys that I'm using it, I think. Maybe not. But anyways, the Not Your Mother's leave-in conditioner is what I'll be using, and then I'm gonna go in with my new favorite gel, and it is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. This stuff is amazing, so freaking good. I did not expect to find such a good gel at the drugstore. I've heard about a lot of other gels. I've heard about Camille Rose, which I wanted to try, but I wanted to keep it a lot more affordable for you guys. So I really wanted to find products that are very much affordable. And Camille Rose, although it's sold in the drugstore, it's not, I would argue that it's not on the affordable side, because it's still $15 for one product and up or something like that. But these products, honestly, I think all these products are all under $10 each. I will have it listed in the description box below, so if you guys want to check it out, or I'll pop it up somewhere on the screen when I'm mentioning each product. But you guys, this routine worked magic for me. the last time I used it, so I'm about to show you what I do. I'm going to show you how I apply the leave-in conditioner and the gel, and I might do it my normal lazy way. So that means no parting the hair or anything. But I'm gonna use my Denman brush to help me give me more definition and clump my curls up a little bit. But I'm still gonna style it in like a lazier kind of way. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my hair. Okay. It is dripping wet. I'm gonna start off with splitting my hair on the side because today I want a side part. I'm always doing like a middle part with especially with my curly hair, so I'm gonna do a side part today. My hair has been so frizzy lately and so dry. Okay, so now my hair is already drenched, so I'm not gonna even wet it any more than what it's already soaking wet, like dripping. So now I'm just gonna apply my leave-in conditioner. Also, when I washed out my hair mask, my Garnier hair mask, I kind of didn't fully wash it out. I left just a tad bit in my hair. So that's in there as well. So my hair feels so moisturized right now, which is amazing because we need this moisture. I'm also focusing on my ends as I always typically do because they need the most love. After I spray it, I like to run my fingers through it to make sure my hair is nicely coated. And you can use a brush or something for this, but I actually want to feel my hair myself and see if I feel any really dry parts. Like right in the middle of my scalp is always so dry. I've also used this to refresh my hair, and it works like magic. Like I really recommend this product, you guys, especially if you love spray leave-in conditioners like I do. I really recommend this product. And Not Your Mother's is so inexpensive and so bomb, honestly. All right, that is enough. I wonder if this is gonna weigh my hair down. I feel like I've applied a lot more than I applied last time, so I wonder if this is gonna weigh my hair down. We shall see. And if it doesn't, more reasons to love it. Now I'm just gonna comb through all of my hair with my Denman brush, and yeah. My hair feels like magic right now, like so good, so freaking good. So yeah, last time I did not use my Denman brush, so I'm excited to see my results with this routine and my Denman brush. It's like, I think it's gonna be so bomb. Okay. So with my creams, as you guys know, I like to spread it out evenly, make sure it's in there. And then with my gel, I love to like scrunch and spread it liberally. So that's what I'm gonna do with my Curl Talk. I'm possibly gonna flip my head forward and do the same thing as I've always done. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also with this gel, I found that a little bit goes a long way last time I used it. So I'm not gonna use as much as I typically do. Let's go to this side first. Wow. My hair is so juicy right now. Like literally juicy. I'm gonna have to shake this out so my top is not flat, but for now. I'm just showing you guys that I'm scrunching, but I'm really about to flip my head forward because I don't want all of this to be flat because that's how I'm styling my hair to be right now. So give me a second and I'm just gonna flip my hair forward. Even if you part your hair, it's important to shake it out to give yourself as much volume as possible. I feel like I've scrunched a lot, so now I'm gonna scrunch with my towel, my microfiber towel. So my hair is now ready and set. My best tip is that don't be afraid to go ahead and add more moisture after you've already applied your gel. Don't be afraid to comb through after you've already smoothed it down. Keep going back and forth and listen to what your hair might need. That's personally what I do, especially while it's drying. I like to kind of see where my hair is at, and if I feel like a spot needs more moisture because it dried incredibly too fast, maybe I scrunched that part a little too much, I will go ahead and apply some more moisture wherever needed. So I'm actually going to allow my hair to air dry for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to diffuse, and I'll be back with my final results. My diffusing is always the same. I always use a round diffuser to get my curls to really curl and help define the curls a little bit more, and then I like to go in and dry my roots. So I won't be showing that in this video, but yeah, I want you guys to see how well drugstore products work just as well, if not better, than a lot of high-end brands. And I know this video has been a long time coming, so yeah, stick around for the results. It's only gonna be like a minute for you guys, or like a couple seconds. You'll see in the next clip. But yeah, hey guys, so I am back with my results, and I have to say that I really again love my results. My hair has been going through like a weird dry spell. It's winter time and some other things that I'll probably talk about later on, but yeah, these products actually really give me a lot of definition, if you guys can tell. It is still a little bit frizzy and stuff because, as I said, my hair has been super dry. Also, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I'm looking at my hair in the viewfinder. I did get a lot of volume here, which is nice because usually on day one I don't get a lot of volume. But I am really impressed with how much volume I got just on day one. But I think that has to do with I split my hair on this. I have a side part, and then I was diffusing on this side a lot to kind of give it more lift once I flip it back this way, if that makes sense. I didn't end up adding anything else to my hair. I felt like I really went overboard with the leave-in conditioner, so I didn't want to add anything else. I was going to add like a little finishing oil, but I decided not to. I'm just going to leave my hair like this and see how well I can refresh in the next couple of days. What I will say is that my hair feels a lot softer, and that's what I actually love about this gel. This is probably like the first gel that I've found in the drugstore that I feel actually works, but I haven't tried a lot of drugstore gels that are like good for curly hair. There's like a lot of those other gels that have a bunch of just horrible ingredients for curly hair, but this one is the first one that I've used that is good for curly hair and it works. It gives you like the cast, and then you have to break through that cast, and then after you break through that cast you get really fluffy curls like mine are. So if you can see, these are my results. My hair is 98% dry. It's a little damped back here. I don't know if you guys can really see. It's a little damp back here and it looks a little frizzy. So I didn't continue diffusing. I was talking like not facing the camera, so I hope you guys heard me. But I didn't continue diffusing for a long time because I didn't want to make it super frizzy. And I just want to like finish air drying. But I have a lot of volume. My hair is defined, my curls are defined, and these are my results. So yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of curly drugstore hair tutorials and stuff, but this is all proof that you don't have to spend a bunch of money to help your curls look good or to help your natural hair. You can do it with drugstore products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it's been long awaited. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.